welcome to the video, guys. Today we are doing a kind of gearbox shifter upgrade, kind of refresh package. We're going to do a short shifter and I'm going to change out the gearbox oil. My car's on 63k miles and it's due at 60, so let's do it. Right, I've got everything stripped out so we can get in and install the short shifter. Basically, you take the battery out, battery tray out. There's two screws on the bottom of the battery tray to unscrew the ECU. Take that off, take the battery tray out, then you've got access. Right guys, here we go. So, our short shifter's going on here. So I'm going to pop that off now. I believe it is just a case of getting underneath it with a flathead. There we go. Basically, this sits on there and you pop it off and then your short shifter goes on there. Now, before I do the short shifter, this is the 25% shorter throw, this is 15. I'm gonna put some blue Loctite on here so it doesn't come out. So take this to bits, Loctite, 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 bang, over it, done. So guys, as far as I can see, you slip that under there like that. Can you guys see that? It's kind of sitting there on its own. Then you drop this over the top of that wee ball there. I'm aware this angle isn't great, guys. Bear with me, please. There we go. Just tighten them up. Now we're all tight, we can go ahead and stick the linkage back on. Ready for this? And there you go. That's it. Right, now we will go and see how short the throw is now inside the car. Look how short it is. Feels so much better, man. For £12, why would you know? That's going to be, ooh, a downshift, ooh, you know what I mean? Lovely. Right, gearbox oil. So I will jack the car up, we'll crack the fill plug, crack the drain plug, empty it out, and we'll maybe see if we can drag a magnet through it, if I can find one, and actually see what 60,000 miles gearbox oil looks like. The plug on the left of your screen now is your fill plug. You're always going to undo that first, because if it's seized and you've got an empty gearbox, you're not going anywhere. So always undo the fill plug first, and the plug on the right is obviously the drain plug. So let's get that, both of them cracked off and see what's happening in here. There we go, guys, cracked off, no bother, so just leave that cracked and we'll do the draining. Think we can get it out, guys. Oh, fuck's sake, that was poor. We did not do very well there. That was quite of a rookie error from me. While we're waiting for that to drain fully, a little bit of a fun fact. If you've never smelled or changed gearbox oil, right, it stinks like fish, like some sort of fishy fart. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know, but usually my girlfriend Cara is here filming me, helping me, annoying me really generally, but anything to do with gearbox oil, she is a total no-no. When we were swapping in the MK6 engine, when that blew, took the drive shaft out and it went all over me. I was in a white t-shirt and I was covered in it, and she threw the t-shirt out. It was one of my favourites, but it was stinking. So fun fact, Cara doesn't like gearbox oil. I don't necessarily hate it, but it isn't pleasant to smell, really. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Right guys, this is old gearbox oil, about 11 years old. This is new gearbox oil. You can see that difference. Look at that. So, there you go. You might think, oh, I don't need my gearbox oil done. that will tell you otherwise. I don't have a magnet, guys, but I'm just looking in here currently, and there's a couple of wee bits a couple of wee bits of dirt, but I feel like maybe that's already in the bucket. Or maybe I think I nudged the subframe a wee touch. I hope it's no metal. They look quite big. I'm going to fish it out. Bear with me. It's rust. Thank God. Right, it's off the subframe when we knocked it. No bother, right. Okay. Some little tiny speckles of, like, you know, metal shine, like glimmer, you know, you get that. But it's a gearbox, I'm sure. I've missed a gear, I'm sure the countless 5 other owners have missed a gear since 2015, you know, shit happens. So, I'm happy with that. There's not a lot of metal in the oil. So, I'm going to drain it with a siphon pump. I've drained power steering, I've drained coolant with this. It's a great wee tool, so I'm going to put it back in with this siphon pump. So I'm going to do up that drain plug, crack after that fill plug, and we'll get it done. So this end goes into the fill plug, this end goes into my bottle. The bottle has to be at the top, obviously. We're going to put 1.7 litres in. Don't squeeze this until you've got it in, because it will start coming out. Right guys, that's 1 litre done, so that took about 12 minutes of me continually squeezing, so we can say to get the whole thing filled up, take about 25 minutes if you're doing this method. So I'll get this second bottle cracked off and we'll see what she takes. It's fill to spill, so you just fill up until it spills out the fill hole. It's pretty simple really. That's her finished. She took about 1.8, 1.9 in the end, but if you look at what we took out, it was quite low, so I'm not surprised at that. Usually, typically these take 1.7, as internet will tell you, but there you go, mine was low, so it's took 1.9. You can kind of see there we've got a wee bit under 250ml left. So now I will put the motor back together and we'll go out for a road test and see how she feels. Although, just for playing about with the shifter earlier, wow man, that short shifter makes some difference. So I'm really excited to see if we can feel the difference in the transmission fluid. I'm just leaving the unit. I'm going to go for a wee spirited half-an-hour loop and then I'll feed back to you. But so far, it's felt amazing. So let me go and test it out properly and then I'll chat with you on the drive. Right guys, that's me home now. Wow, I can't even talk highly enough of how good this is. It is amazing. I didn't think my shifter was bad before. Night and day honestly, with the short shifter on and the gearbox oil change. It is perfection. It's honestly, I mean, oh, beautiful. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's silky, it's buttery, it's lovely. It's like so mechanical but so smooth at the same time. It's beautiful. So I keep a build book, and after every long hard drive when I've been really leaning on the motor, I take notes. And one of my main notes for the last month or two has been that first to second is a bit of a shite shift. It's not the best shift in the gearbox. It's just a bit shite. It's not bad, it's not bad at all, but it's just not as good as the rest of them. But see now, oh, amazing, amazing. I don't even have the words to describe how amazing this has turned out. If your car's done 60k miles, change your gearbox oil. If you've not got a short shifter and you think you like that kind of shorter throw, much more engaging, just get one. It was only £12 for eBay. I'll put a link in the description. So aye guys, thanks very much for watching. Not very exciting today, but it's a big kind of driver engagement fuel video, so aye, I'm chuffed. I'm made up with this video, so very happy. dead easy. I mean, short shifter, the hardest bit about it was taking the stuff out. Installing that was a doddle, and the gearbox oil was no problem as long as you've got 25 minutes to squeeze it in. So hi guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Next week we'll be back to 4scan because we'll be coding in power mirrors, which all STs should have had for factory, but only the ST3 got them, as me and a commenter were talking about last week. So power mirrors next week guys, 4scan, all that stuff. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.